my Target designs. I hope you're loving them because they are rolling. They are rolling. Hey, like I said, straight hustle, no luck. There's no luck involved in this. You got to grind. You got to push to get this stuff done. All right, I'm bringing you guys content. Is that it? Is that my Yoda? Yeah, boy. All right, here we go. All right, so. Pink and expanding out there. Got me a little shaky. Hey, now, that being the intro, I'm gonna be real with y'all. The footage of us cleaning the valve cover and the timing cover might not be so great, but I'm trying my best, clean it up. You guys see the process involved, okay? To get it done. We tried one color, it didn't work out. Cleaned it down, wire wheeled it, thinner, get all that stuff off. We didn't have any aircraft remover. And then we just now off camera, hit it with a degreaser, a little scuff pad, hit the degreaser again, blew it off. Sorry we didn't record to show you guys all that stuff, but that is the process. Originally, you take this off the engine. It's full of oil, grease, sand. We're in El Paso. You want to go ahead and hit that with degreaser. I use the Purple Power from AutoZone. Then from Dollar Tree, believe it or not, I don't have the bottle in here, okay? But you get a half gallon for $1. I can't remember the name of it. If I remember, I'll put it in the description. But we just got 2 bottles and soaked the hell out of it, cleaned it up. When all the stuff was gone, we got down to nitty gritty, cleaned it up, then wire wheeled it, got all in between the little cracks and everything. And this is what it turned out to be. All right. I'm gonna shoot primer, and again, hey, here's 5 minutes for you. All right. I might even make this into a shorts. Teach y'all a little something. All right. We're gonna primer, 2 coats. All right. Then what I'm gonna do is, since we've been lacking a little bit with the gauge pod, let me grab it real quick. It got its own video, but I'm gonna throw some primer on this. 2nd coat. And then we're gonna sand them down with some 500, clean them up, and shoot tonight. Hey, bringing you guys content, all right? Gotta grind. Say it with me. Straight hustle. Say it with me, all right? I'm motivated, I'm pumped. So let me get the gun. Fire this baby up. Alright, blow it off real quick. We got the little heater in the office. We're gonna close the door, stay warm for a little bit while this is under the heat. Warm it up. guys watching. We're going to close it out here. The footage trying to, portray landscape throughout. Hope you guys enjoyed it, but we're going to close this out here. I got to get him to work, and today's my birthday, so I should be relaxing, but unexpected video. I'm going to take advantage of it, but appreciate you guys. Subscribe, comment, like, don't forget, and share the videos. Don't forget, merch available. All right? Go ahead and get them. I ain't wearing mine today because unexpected video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. All right? 2,000 times better than what I did. I'm still in the learning process. But